What's going on, YouTubers, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I want to help more of you people out there who are still looking for ways to make or earn free legit money from home. And I get it, with everything that you see on YouTube these days, don't believe all the hype. It's not always what you expect it to be, especially when you're looking for a simple ways to make money from home and don't know who to trust. And I'm not one of those guys, so I want everyone out there who is watching this video right now to closely pay attention and don't miss out on any details that I'm about to show you on this video. Just so you know that I do care and would like to on this video is connect you with more opportunities and help you become more successful online. So, favor for a favor. Before we jump into this video, please don't forget to smash that like and subscribe buttons. Hit that notification bell for that YouTube algorithm to update you every time I upload a new video. Now, let's dive right in. Alright guys, I know that online these days, when someone's looking to make money online, they want to know the proof first. They want to know what it's all about. They want to know it's legit and everything else on top of that, okay? So one thing I like to do first, because I don't want you guys to miss out on any details, and I want you guys to know that this is real and this is legit. So I usually like to go to the bank money area of my, videos. So first thing I want to do first, you guys could already see we're into my LG V60 phone here, Android, that I'm using, and this site is called Webtalk, the one that's going to be paying us today and for a long haul. So as you can see, I'm already logged in, and I will explain you guys more into details about what this website is about. But first thing I would like to do first, just to show you guys that this is real and this is not fake, is that how Webtalk actually pays you. So we're gonna go in this 3 bars here on the bottom right corner, and we're gonna go to the referrals and how this site actually will pay you. So these are the rewards on top, okay guys, and I will be explaining this more in details and how these members and stuff like that actually will pay you, or you guys can go through it once you create your account and register for a free account, and then I will explain to you guys how you can scale it up. So basically, this is one of the best way. I'll go in my dashboard first so you guys can see how many referrals I have on this website so far. And you can see in July I have not made nothing beside last month right here. I made 6 cents. I know it's not a whole lot right now, and I haven't been in this website too long. It's still really new and underground. So I want to first show you guys this really quick. So the way website pays us is through, as you can already see, referrals and one more other things. Actually 2 or 3 more other ways to get paid on this site. So, and you can also watch the video right here on top, and you can see for yourself what this. Hey guys, so you see it right there. So that's another quick tutorial of what this site is all about, but let's not get all into that right now, so I can explain it to you better what this app is all about. So first, you can see I have no money right now, but if you go to your payments right here, you can see I got 27 cents so far. And the reason why I like this website is because you got so many ways to get paid on this website. And the payment method that they have here, which everyone likes, they have PayPal. What I'm using though is Payoneer. So as you can see right there, I got 27 cents, and I'm going to be using a social media platform anyway, so I might as well use this website that will actually pay you for socializing and for sending out referrals. I mean, you have actually a social media platform that will pay you instead of just like Facebook and all the other Twitter social media platform that doesn't give a damn about you and whatever data that you're giving them, and they're getting rich off you, which I don't like. So anyway, like you can see, you got all this different payment method that you can use, And right now I have Payoneer, and you also have PayPal as an option, or Stripe, and all this other one too as well. Webtalk credits and Coinbase that will be coming soon. That will be available to you guys to pay. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys this real quick. Now let's just dive right into what this website is all about. Since you guys already seen a few of those intro or the video that I just have you guys watch. Sorry for kind of had a glitch in there. So I'm just gonna go back to my news fed, okay, right here, and give you guys a little bit of explanation of what this social media platform that will actually pay you is all about. So now if you guys have a multiple social media account like me, you well know that maintaining your personal, professional, and business life online has become a daunting task. Confusions while none seem to give you the control over your communications that you desire. Well then, I want to welcome you to a new social media site that will pay you for using their platform. That's still underground and that nobody really talks about. And not to mention really quick, this site will allow you with no restrictions to post any links to gain that free traffic to drive in any of your site that you'll be promoting. So if you guys are looking to generate free traffic for any of your business or your affiliate links, this is one of the great free traffic source that you can also use. Okay, so that's another bonus. So this is definitely great for any affiliate marketers out there who are trying to scale up on their business. But let's get back to the main reason of this video. This awesome site that will be paying us today and forevermore is called Webtalk, as you can see right there. Okay guys, online or on my phone. I'm using my LG V60 right now. And July 4th is coming, guys, so happy 4th of July, as you can see on my phone right now in one of the news fed. So okay, now let's get back to the quick intro. Why I would choose Webtalk for you beginners who has never made money online out there is because this is one of the simplest ways to make money online that has a longevity passive income once you register for a free account. That will be also included below this video on that description. Okay guys, and you can download this app on your iOS and also your Android. They're both compatible. So and have it all set up properly. WebTalk is the main place across the board correspondence, cooperations, and business organizing local area work to assist you with conveying and saving time. With WebTalk, you'll fortify associations with more designated and noticeable correspondence, fabricate your believability, and direct your business arranges your own proficient and business life into a simple to manage categories. And WebTalk places you in charge of who sees what. What's more, when the social ungainliness of adding partners, loved ones to a similar online organizations is presently dealing with your correspondence better starts with dealing with your contacts, right? Web Canonine's patent forthcoming associations measure assists you with marking your associations dependently on genuine connections. When constructing new connections on WebTalks, you can name proficient association as a forthcoming contact for deals, work, business, and speculation. Opening utilizing WebTalks work in gathering and subgroup naming component. Then at that point, watchwords or portrayals to help look for that individual later in your contact. That executives catalogs with work and expert individuals and public organizations. Okay guys, WebTalk assists you with dealing with your online life as you would in your reality. Constructing keeping up with believability is critical in all parts of your life. I get it. That is the reason why WebTalk permits you to exhibit your ability through a virtual resume and media display to flaunt your expert portfolios, degrees and certificates, photographs and recordings. Organizations can likewise feature items, administrations, appraisals, and audits on your business page to help you fabricate trust and draw in new clients. Sooner rather than later, WebTalk will offer a commercial center search highlights to help all clients discover items offered by different individuals, can direct more business locally. WebTalk needs to assist everybody with associating openings and become more effective. That is the reason why WebTalk pays out up to half of all income through a gigantically rewarding reference program called Social CPX. WebTalk's biggest internet systems administrations and e-businesses. Contenders create tens of billions of dollars each top-notch overhauls and exchange expenses. Facebook and LinkedIn on a normal produce $3 each month from each client. Amazon creates about $70 per client each month from intern deals as the principal social online business local area. Well, WebTalk projects arriving at a normal $10 or more each month from each client's Web Canine produces income from publicizing deals, premium component redesigns, ability arrangements, and exchange charges. Very much like the others, yet the distinction we share it with you, that they share with you, at the point when you join up with the free partner programs, you'll acquire a 10% commission on all income produced by the clients and organizations you allude to WebTalk. Okay, they are alive. Get it, guys. Your long haul pro procuring potentials per client reference is assessed at $1 each month. We as a whole realized that $1 was not groundbreaking. So WebTalk chose to do the unbelievable and grants everybody credit for beginning a chain response. Each with WebTalk, you acquire credit for immediate reference, yet in addition the reference and the reference, etc., through 5 levels of detachment. Suppose the normal month-to-month commissions per reference comes to $1, and you in the entirety of your reference, each 10 clients, each, and that proceeds through 5 degrees or levels of partition. You could acquire 10 each month from your first level, 100 from your second, 1,000 from your third, $10,000 from your fourth, and $100,000 each month from your fifth level. So they do have levels, guys, with WebTalk's Partners Program. A straightforward follow me on WebTalk post on Facebook or Twitter could be conceivably groundbreaking when you make those posts. The best part about the subsidiary program is you don't need to change any of your day by day schedule. Each interpersonal organizations gives you a profile or page interface for you to share and fabricate your organization. We should talk we should talk. Thus likewise for me. Okay? At that point when your profile drives new clients to WebTalk, our associate program gives you kudos for the reference. Import your emails or telephone address to welcome your contacts to interface with you on your WebTalk account, and you'll get acknowledgement for everybody that joins. Okay, so you acquire credits basically for your immediate reference, yet additions, the reference and the reference, etc., through 5 levels detachment. Okay, so let's so when you share your photos, okay, let's go. So when you share your photos, videos, and files, so for instance, when you share your photos, videos, and files with non-members and through your referrals, you earn credits when they sign up to view them and through your referrals. So the more people you invite to WebTalk now, the better your chances are for a life-changing success. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So join now and invite everyone you know before they invite you to create success. And like I said, guys, just for staying through this whole video, I'm going to show you guys 2 traffic sources for free that will help you scale up your earnings and through your referrals. So that way you can start building up your account, to earn more money down the road. So basically you invite one person into your account through your referrals, and then they invite more people or invite their people into their referrals. You're going to earn. So it's going to keep, you know, creating this multiple income into your accounts long as they stay on that platform, in this platform called Webtalk. All right, guys. So like I say, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. This one's gonna be on my computer that I'm gonna be using to show you guys this traffic source. So let's get into those free traffic source that I promised you guys about deliver and to help you guys scale up your earnings inside this social media platform that will pay us called Webtalk. So guys, the first site I would use for free traffic source to scale up your earnings is a website called Quora. Now Quora gets a lot of hits on SimilarWeb. If you guys don't already know it, SimilarWeb is basically a site where you could check how many visitors it gets every single month. Show you guys proof why I would like to choose Quora for your traffic source to gain more referrals. You can see how many visitors it gets, guys. Quora is a good platform to gain traffic. So if you could see right here, Quora gets 577.30 million visitors a month, and most of them are coming from the United States. Let me show you guys an example. Like right here, I would just go ahead and ask questions. And this right here also gives you a chance to edit and put on that Webtalk referral link that you will get once you create your free account, and that referral will be under this description of this video. So if you have not already have a Webtalk account, you can go ahead and either sign under me, or you could sign to somebody else. It's up to you, really. I'm just here to help you out. So click into this and you can see all these answers from people who has that answer for your questions. Like for instance, just kind of scroll down to see what would best fit for your referral links. So yeah, you just have so much, here that you could choose from. I would just like choose one of these guys and copy and paste it and then go to your Google Doc. What I would do is just pick something here real quick, just a little simple, you know what I mean? Articles from one of your questions that people have answered. So I would choose something like this. Go to Google Doc, paste it up. If you want to add more, you can get more off the Quora. And then after that, you just would like, just say you want to, download it to a PDF file. So you download it to a PDF file right here. Okay. See that PDF document? Then once you do that, and you need to go to basically the second traffic source, like once you pick up a few of those articles from Quora, those are free, so you can use those. And if you feel like you're breaking the policy of the copyrights, you can go to Spinbot, which is this other website, okay, and just kind of like spin those articles, see right there, and you can pretty much make that article your own once you rewrite it. So please click each image contain a train. You just kind of like click some of this caption, make sure that you're not a robot, so go ahead and verify that, and then just press go. Then you got a new article right there. See, guys, right there, and you could use that and then go back to your Google Doc, paste it, and now you have your own article. So you could choose a few of those. That's just an example from Quora that you would like to pick that would best fit for your referral links for Webtalk. So once you download that to your computer, those PDF files, article, you need to go to login/share. This is another traffic source for free, guys, that you can also use, and you can sign in with LinkedIn or Facebook. Okay, so let's check this out and log in. So SlideShare is basically, if you were to look at SimilarWeb like we just did with Quora, let's go to SimilarWeb real quick and you guys can see for yourself how much traffic this website get every single month. And if you were to go down here, it gets 138.87 million traffic every single month, guys. That's why I choose one of this second traffic source for you guys that you can get for free and drive traffic to your referral links of your Webtalk. So this is an incredible traffic site. It's basically both of those two traffic source site that I just gave you guys is on Autopilot. So once you create your account with them, or you ask a question in Quora and you put that PDF file of the articles that you get from Quora, once you download it into PDF and take it to SlideShare and just leave it there, and it's on automatic, it's on Autopilot right after that. And you guys can just leave it there and go elsewhere and just let it build for you and see how much referrals as it goes on Autopilot that you guys are going to be receiving. So these two sites are a great traffic source for you guys to use. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video and it brought you guys a lot of value. Please, all I ask is that you smash that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell for that YouTube algorithm so I can update you every time I upload a new video. So let's go ahead and make that money today, guys. And I will leave that description also down below if you have not already created an account yet. And let's go ahead and make that money today. And I wish you guys luck and your success. Bye for now, and I'll see you guys next time.
Lit. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to